So this was about the systems with retainers, the circumferential ones with the retainers. Now talking about without retainers or the retainer-less matrices. So these includes automatrix. Now automatrix is a system where it doesn't have a bulky body. You just have a band, you have a lock or a loop, and then you have a coil and also a tightening device. So basically, the mechanism of automatrix is that you have these pre-contoured stainless steel bands and then they have an integrated tightening coil. And this allows you to fit it snugly around the tooth and you do not need any separate retainer for better access and patient comfort. So you place it and with the tightening device, you rotate it clockwise and tighten the band. Similarly, similar to this are the real matrices by Garrison. They have the similar thing. They also have the similar mechanism as automatrix, but just they have one more thing, that is the tensioning handle. As you see in the video here, they have this tensioning handle which you place in the reel, and then you have this tensioning ball through which you tighten it and then you place it on the required tooth. The band sizes are there for different tooth and you are good to go. And you can restore it with beautiful contour. Now, yet again, more modifications have been added to Automatrix, wherein now you don't need any tightening devices or other tensioning handles. Here, the reel itself has got a screw which helps you tighten the band itself, like more of ease, more ease to the patient, more ease to the clinician, and less time consuming. So you have two categories here. One is the Palodent 360 circumferential matrix system, and another is the Polydentia MyQuickMat all-round matrix system. Both have similar mechanism. So basically, these are used for extensive restorations, and a simple twist of the thumb wheel tightens the pre-contoured matrix band to replicate the natural anatomy of the tooth with no separate retainer. As you see here in the video, this is of Palodent 360. So you have these pre-contoured bands and then thumb wheel, and there are two dots along which you tighten it. Now, besides these modifications, more of the modifications which are there and which are undiscovered are the T-bands and the pinch matrices. Now, T-bands basically are T-shaped bands. What you do is you actually fold those ends, the extended ends towards inwards, and then pass the band through it. And you secure it and adjust the band circumference by stretching the outside band, by stretching this band which has came outside. So this is the way you can use T-bands, and they are also a very good alternative. And talking about the pinch matrices, so pinch matrices are very easy to use.